This is Jason's Electronics Repair. Welcome to my ER. Today I am joined with my son Donovan. Say hello.
Hello.
So we are looking at this PSP. We did look at the other one and got a parts list, but the audio was all messed up, so we switched mics. So hopefully you guys can hear Donovan now, because the last one you couldn't hear Donovan, and I'm not sure if I'm going to post that or not. So we looked at the worst of the two PSPs, and I was super bad that it was missing the Wi-Fi antenna, because I cannot purchase that separately by itself. So now Donovan is familiar with the opening process on these. He's gonna participate
Yes, I
a
can
little bit
definitely
more.
open it right now.
So we're just gonna. You want to open that? There you go.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, see?
So
it opened.
we're gonna take a look at this, and we're gonna see if this one is in any better shape. So again, these all have been previously opened before. So we will take off that, and I will peel out this warranty sticker here. There we go.
Yeah, and as you can see by the sticker, looks like there has been no liquid damage. So
Yep,
that's
good. Correct. So let's see if we
no
can...
corrodedness.
Okay, let me just loosen them for you here. These aren't as tight as...
So, am I able to twist the back? Like, how do these things work?
This spins on the top there.
Yeah, so like
So
you like
normally
hold it,
you put your finger on top, and then you just
hold it down. And you gotta
spin the bottom there. So you go ahead and take all those screws out, and then I'll explain what we're doing
Wait,
here.
was it this way?
It's counterclockwise, buddy.
So this way.
Yep. There you go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I got these two PSPs and another one that will open together too, and I'm hoping to fix them for a project for me and Donovan to do on retro consoles with retro gaming. I have stored up a bunch of ROMs that I had owned and transferred over. So what I plan on doing is transferring these over and doing some custom firmware. It's super easy on the PSPs, and I think it's a good intro to for him to learn, for Donovan to learn. He's 13 now, so he's been wanting to do YouTube videos.
Yeah, well, I wanted to do gaming videos, but this is close as I can get to YouTube.
Well,
so.
you know, I got that old computer that I used before for YouTube, and I am going to fix the graphic card in there when they go down in price.
Yeah. Now let me get a pointer tool so I can like it.
Okay, I'm gonna pull out these other two screws here. Get the blue tweezers out, buddy.
Oh, my favorite color.
Did you get the blue tweezers from the cup?
Where's the cup?
The cup is right here. Here's the tweezers. Careful, they are very sharp. So we have taken out the screws, so now this front panel should be able to come off. Do you want to get that opening tool that we had yesterday?
Alright, this thing is double-sided.
Okay, you want to go in here and you want to open this?
Sure.
Okay, gently twist it. Just give it a little twisting action. Now go to a different spot and slide it in there. Don't jam it in there.
Right. It's like a clam.
Slide it in there. Rock it up. Now the back side there.
And it comes right off.
There we go. So we got that
and
off.
Oh, that looks dirty. See, we got the membrane.
We have another broken membrane down at the bottom there.
I just take these off.
So go ahead and take those off and set them up here. They can do it on camera, buddy.
Okay.
So.
Go. Then the buttons.
Oh, look at that! That is some nastiness.
Pop those buttons out.
Okay, so I'm gonna take that membrane off there. And then you can go ahead and you can remove the joystick. I'll take off the cup there. Go ahead and take that. So this is going to give us access to the joystick, which we know is going to be...
Take care of them screws.
Put the joystick
Always keep your
screws
workspace
right
clean,
there.
peoples. Remember, when you're done doing this stuff, wash your hands.
That's true.
Hygiene is important.
That's right. So this is very nasty. A lot of dust bunnies. So
Yeah, those are not cute. And there's also that little washer there. Let's just get that out.
Oh, is it in there still?
Yes, it's
Okay.
right there.
Yep, it didn't stick on the joystick. Okay, or the analog stick, as some people like to call it. So we'll put the joystick screws over here.
Yeah, but the joystick is I have joy with the video game.
Okay, so this button right here is messed up. It is
Yes, make sure to take off.
broken and it's
Tape,
stuck there.
See, take it off with care. Actually, band-aid it.
We'll put the new one down with some B7000. Okay, so this is our pile of garbage.
It does.
That is not too bad, but we're probably going to replace these.
Yeah, it's like at the main thing.
Okay, so what we need to do is we need to take out this screw right here because it holds in the
Screen.
screen thingy. So that is rusted really bad, and it looks good. So we are going to take this off. We can go ahead and take our L and R off, which are dirty.
Doesn't rusting occur when water has accessed the device?
That is true.
The one that have liquid damage?
Yeah, that is true. And I don't know if you can see this on the screen. Yep, you can see the cracks in the screen here. There are cracks in the screen, so the screen is definitely bad. So I have replacement IPS screens coming there a little bit
Yeah, so
further.
we're gonna fix that.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pop this. We're gonna pop this little clip right here.
Ooh, can I pop it?
There you go. I will hold it for you. Don't jab that into my hand.
Which way do I go in?
See, if you go in here at this angle like this, just like that, just gently slide it in. And twist it a little bit.
There we
you
go.
There you go. So
Hooray.
now we will lift this up and we'll flip it over. And then you can go ahead and pop that latch.
Yeah, can I put the ribbon there?
No, don't pop it with the corner. You want to pop it like this. Like that, okay?
Oh,
You don't want to put the corner on there because it'll crack the latch. And you want to go ahead and
You know,
pull that
I
ribbon
thought this part was the.
No,
latch.
it's the different color there.
Alright, let's just get the tweezers.
You don't want to use those
Oh,
tweezers
yeah.
for that. You want to use the forged tweezers. There you go.
There we
Now
go.
this is delaminating from the bracket. So this is going to be a replacement piece also. So we'll put that in our pile of stuff that needs to be replaced. Now we need to get this screen out, and this is bent. This middle frame is bent here. So,
Hopefully, it doesn't give us a problem.
and hopefully not. And there's rust on the screen. So I'm going to do the screen because they are a little bit tricky. So I'm just going to insert my
in
tool
there, right
and
there.
lift it up there and hold it up. And this is bent too, where someone has tried to remove the screen in the past.
Yeah, they don't know how to.
There we go. So now we're gonna slide this out and we're gonna flip it over to expose the ribbons. Do you remember how I told you to get this ribbon out?
Yes, you gotta flip up the thing.
No, this latch goes that way. You wanna come down at a low angle like this, and then gently just loosen the latch because it's clipped down. At a lower angle. Lower angle.
Here's the cold.
Yeah. There you go. Now, just gently push it forward. Okay, and now grab the ribbon with the tweezers and gently pull it out. Now,
There
I
it
know you
is.
don't have any nails from the last video,
Yeah,
so we'll flip that and we'll get the
didn't
screen
know
out.
that.
That is a replacement.
Okay, they didn't even know that, so.
Yeah, well, the video is going to come out anyways, so let's flip this back over here so we have it right side up. So now we need to remove this metal frame. So let's get the screwdriver for this. So we have 1, 2, 3 screws.
And also a screw down there.
Yep,
And there.
3 screws here.
Oh yeah, one screw there.
So these are in there gummed up tight. So we'll put these are mid-frame screws. So this is a P0 bit on this. It between this and a 00, you can get all the screws out. So I'm just going to take these screws out for speed purposes. Again, another screw that is rusted. So I'm interested to see what this looks like because of the rusted screws.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we have a screw here.
As you can see here is the barcode, which is inside the device, which I don't get.
Yeah. Might have had a replacement board at some time.
Was there a barcode there on the last one?
No, there was not. Oh, you keep forgetting you have to make sure you open the door to get the
Right,
metal
there's a
frame
little
out.
hook there.
Yep, there's a
Yeah,
little
I'm just
hook.
going to show everyone the little hook real quick. See, right there is a little hook that hooks onto the door.
Yep, that is correct, and you have to loosen that, otherwise you'll have a problem getting that out. Okay, that's a weird switch that wasn't on the last unit. Put that down. Put our little clips down so they don't get broken. Let us get this tape. Oh, let's go ahead and take out this screw right here for the power cable.
Alright, I'm going to take it.
This one has the
Little
other
one in there.
No, that's tightening it.
Wasn't
Righty
sure.
tighty, lefty loosey, buddy. Okay, so
Right. But if you can see it, it's both ways. See, this could also mean left, and so is this.
So
Is left.
we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip this up. We're gonna pull out this ribbon this time. We're gonna do it a little bit differently. Now that we have taken one of these apart. So now we can get in here and we can lift this bracket up here.
Yeah, be careful about
There.
the. Yeah.
And then we are gonna unclip. Try to unclip this side first.
But be careful of the ribbon cable in there.
Yep, that's true. You don't want to damage that.
Yeah, you don't want to damage it.
There we go. So lifting it up from the back is the best way to go. So now this ribbon should just come right out, and then we can unhook it from the back of the power board. So there we go. Nice ribbon cable. This board looks good. The switch works on it. So now most people will want to tear out this by unhooking it from here. I don't recommend doing that because it sits below the plastic. So what I want to do is I want to get this tape out of here. This one actually may not have been worked on because this stuff is taped down, and this may have been removed before, but that Wi-Fi tape wasn't removed before. Like this is like the tape that's been removed before has a bunch of garbage stuck to the bottom of it, and like dirt and dust. The Wi-Fi one didn't have that. So
Now that we've removed all the tape.
okay, so let's get this one screw out here. And we'll get this other board here. Do you remember what these are called, these buttons?
Membranes.
Oh, this is the membrane right here.
Right.
This is the membrane. This is the contact.
Yeah.
Normally it's like a
Contact
carbon
right there.
graphite mixture.
And it's also on this board right here. See? There's little plus symbols on there.
Try to get this out here. There we go. So we're going to flip that. You want to do that ribbon, that latch. You're going to do that latch right there. It goes towards me. Gentle, there you go. Very good. You want to
Okay,
take the
flipped.
ribbon out.
Yeah.
Gentle.
Wiggle,
There you
wiggle.
go. It's just like,
Then I'll flip the latch back down.
yep, flip it down. It's just like I was teaching him to cut with a knife on like fruit and stuff,
Yeah.
and I always tell him, you know, don't rush through it. Just take your time and be careful.
Unless you're doing a speed run of a video game.
So I'll take that off. I don't know what that means. Now we'll go ahead and we'll flip this latch there.
Carefully pull that out.
Flip the latch back down. And now this one is a little bit tricky. I'm going to turn on the scope. And we're going to show you how to remove this this ribbon connector
Shall I pull the scope over?
I'll pull the scope. You want to hit the button?
Okay.
Am scope big?
You ready?
Yeah.
Bang. This is the circuit board.
Turn that light down.
Yeah.
There
See,
we go.
right here is a hard part, right there.
Yeah. If you look here, I'll point with the tweezers. You have little latches here. These are a lot easier than the latches on the last one.
Yeah.
You want to make sure they're out evenly and good to go.
Yeah, I mean, I can see them right now, too.
So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this and just gently pull that out.
There you go.
So you want to turn that scope off.
M-scope off.
So now we have that. We can disconnect our speakers. Use these pliers that I disconnect all speakers with.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I like those, but they work good.
Yeah, don't forget up here for the later.
We're gonna go ahead and lift this up and hold that out of the way.
Alright.
And then we will get this Wi-Fi antenna. And we will unhook it here.
Yes, that one's better suited.
At least this one has a Wi-Fi antenna. And we will lay that off to the side. Just kick that off to the side because we have one screw in the motherboard to take out. So you want to take out this last screw right here?
Sure. No, is that really the last screw?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know, both ways turning the screwdriver, one part of it's going left, right?
Yeah.
So it's kind of hard.
Okay, so now we're going to lift this board out of here. No, it's got another board it plugs into down here. So you got to really pop it. There we go. Much better than the last one. Nasty bit of rust and grime. That switch is good. That's always good. So now I can unhook this. I'm going to hold this connector down, and I'm just going to gently rock that out. That's going to need replacement. We'll take a look at that board in a minute. Now,
oh, so you got a green ribbon out
now this one has a mid-frame here that I don't believe the other one I had. No, don't mess with that laser.
Oh, right. Oh, there's a laser there? Oh, yeah, that's what reads the cartridge disc thing.
So this is held down with a screw right here. So down with that screw right there. And
As you can see, there's definitely some rust up there.
I'm not quite sure what.
So I'm holding it down?
Yeah, it appears to be
It seems
a
like
screw
it's
here.
somewhere.
Yeah,
You're
it's
right there.
under. There
Yeah.
you go. So,
Wasn't there 3 other screws there?
take this one out too. There we go. Get this bracket out.
Yeah.
That bracket out. That looks good. And then now we can take out this mid-frame here. Now this other one we had did not have this mid-frame in it.
Yeah.
So that's another part.
Well, it looks like these
missing.
pins are better than the last one.
Yeah, the memory card on this one looks good. I believe that just comes out now. So this one, other than it being grimy and dirty, I actually have high hopes for. We will see if we can pop out this. We had some difficulty. They're both getting a new case, so if this back part gets damaged again, that's fine.
I remember the last one, you were able to flex the back a
Yeah,
little.
that's true.
But we don't suggest doing that.
Yeah, I don't suggest
It's
doing
an easy way of breaking it.
There we go. There's that door. Now, this. See, these doors are in there.
There you go.
And I broke it.
Yeah, we're getting new ones anyway.
Yeah, we're getting new
As
ones.
long as we
but
didn't damage the actual frame.
I'll definitely make sure it's 100% before I put the back door on the new one. So I'll be playing it without the back door. We're going to take out the UMD drive screws because this is filthy also. So these are the 4 UMD screws. These are the same. Last video I was calling it the Blu-ray drive for the whole thing.
Yes. Yes, it was.
That is true, I was. So this
Well,
one's going a lot smoother than the last one. Okay, so let us drop this out here. Drop that out. So that's that. That just needs to be dusted and cleaned with regular cleaning, not with anything crazy. I'm going to get this spring here.
Be careful with that spring.
Got it. And I didn't break it. So there's this. We'll still clean this up, but this one has a good power button on it.
Yeah.
So like I said, we're getting new cases and new screens and
Yeah,
new
let's
surrounds.
remove the rest of this.
I don't want to take this button out because that was, I kind of broke it last time.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a.
So we're not gonna remove the brackets.
Yeah, we guess we can.
Careful with the power button. Too.
I think the power button is connected to this one. Yeah, the power button's connected to this side. There's a piece of plastic that just fell out. We can get this one up here. Yeah, this one's all pretty nasty. There we go. There's really no way of doing this one unless you just push that down. You push that down.
Yeah, it's very hard to do that. Yeah, remember, after we do that, we still got to get out the speakers.
There we go. Oh, that wasn't quite it. There we go. That button's out, and then now we can take off this side rail here. There we go. That is not bad. And we can gently wiggle out these speakers. Just gently wiggle them out. Don't.
Can I try and gently wiggle out the other one?
Yes, you can. But I'm going to give you something better to gently wiggle it out with. Here you go. You can use these, and you can just gently squeeze it and wiggle it out.
Yeah, good pliers.
Go ahead.
Got like a rubber circle in it.
There you go. Good job, buddy.
And that is how you move a speaker.
So, that is... Okay, so that is that. Let's go ahead and take a look at these boards under the scope. I will pop this Wi-Fi antenna off.
Yeah, that's the first time we've ever said that about these.
Okay, let's go and hit the scope button, buddy.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so
Go.
there we go. So there's the Wi-Fi. Like they said, it's dirty. We need to go in the ultrasonic. At least this board is
Yeah,
good.
it has like a face, if you could do that.
So with the minimum amount of parts, and between the two of these, I think I can get at least one working. So let's take a look at this here. Make sure nothing is burnt. That switch is done. Yeah, that switch is done. So that is the Wi-Fi switch. Already ordered those. Not bad. Let's check this side.
Yeah, as you can see, over here, where the ribbon cable is pulled out of.
Yep. Yeah, everything is looking.
And also over here.
Well, you can't see everything on the screen,
right.
so.
Is that zoomed in?
Yeah, that looks good. Let's just check to make sure our bracket has our clear piece in it. And it does. It has our clear speaker thingy in it. So, and we have one more board, the power board. Where's the power board at? Here it is. Look at this last board. It's got your carbon graphite membrane, or buttons on it, the membrane contacts, latch. The switch is actually pretty good. Last one, it was ripped off. These boards are commonly replaceable, so. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. That's this one. Just needs the screen and power DC in, and this bottom row of buttons, and this the button membrane flex cable bracket, and then a new case, and this one will be good to go. So I'm gonna call it an end here, guys. Have a great day. Anything you want to say, Donovan?
Yes. Make sure to look out for that last video. Because it's pretty great. I was in it, so you know it's great.
Yeah, unfortunately you don't hear him speaking, but he was in it, so I'm gonna release it. I wasn't gonna release it, but I'm gonna go ahead and release it anyway, so you see what both of them are. And then we have one more to tear down, and then I'm gonna do my final parts order, and then we're gonna start working on these sometime in the 1st of July. So take care, everyone, and